The Escape has a 2-inch adjustable windscreen. It's got some USB ports. The tire pressure monitoring system on all 3 bikes. Very, very nice. You get a nail in your tire, you don't know it. You're going to get the low pressure warning light just like on your car, and could save you some time there. 61 horsepower. Yep, it's modest but substantial. Especially when we start talking in the price range. This bike is $64.99 right now on promotion, and at that price you're usually looking at like Rebel 300 or something.
That's a very good price for what you get.
Yep. For those of you guys that were looking at the adjustable handlebars, the risers have 3 different positions. So you can go 15 millimeters forward, 15 millimeters back. Also the riser is 5 millimeters offset where the bar connects. So it can rotate this way or this way. So ultimately you've got 6 different positions for the handlebar. I mentioned that the windscreen is adjustable. You might go up or down 2 inches. You'll see my optional accessory screen, which is 1 inch taller, 4 inches wider, substantially more wind protection. We also have some heat shields available. They fit right here. They kind of redirect the hot air back under the back of the bike, so away from your legs. I kind of like them on there for the summer. I like them off there for the winter. But we also have you see the accessory sheet with the skid plate, aluminum skid plate. We've got the rear racks. Another nice thing that you guys might admire on this bike is the way that it's designed. So the bosses for the drop bars, they're already welded on, they're already pre-tapped, so it's very simple. A do-it-yourselfer can easily install the drop bars. The front upper drop bar, there's a frame tab up here. It's also tapped, threaded to bolt on the rear. For the rear luggage, the bosses are already pre-welded on and threaded on the back of the subframe so that you can bolt it on. You do not have to take off the plastic, you don't have to take off the rack. You simply remove these 4 bolts, put the brackets on both sides, put longer bolts that come in the kit. Down here you put on the plate and you've got the full luggage set. So very, very nicely engineered by the guys in Italy. All right, so let's go ahead and gear up for our next ride. It's 11:02, time to roll.
What's the warranty on these?
3-year unlimited mileage warranty.
Okay.
Definitely a high point. Don't go just because I go. Look both ways. We're going down a couple miles to the freeway. We're turning right, getting on the freeway, going up the exit, green back, turning right. So right now we've got all availability at 2 o'clock for all 3 bikes. Great. So if you want to say which bike you want, the STR is the red one. The STR is the black one. And the Escape is the silver adventure one.
That's a standard operation. Yeah. This one just fell.
I don't have an STR right now.
No, you didn't. Yeah, fantastic. Yeah, I will check out yours too. Take care. See you later.
Hey, is the fuel tank capacity bigger on that one, the tank?
Yeah, that's 4.8 and under 4.2.
Okay. Moto Morini.
Alright, so guys, this is your first time on the little loop.
Oh, kids, don't smoke cigarettes. Okay, ignore the jacket.
Just put
I
that on
will, I will
your
be your
jacket.
witness.
No
I'll
smoking.
note when I come back. Did you see the line, the sheet there for signing up which bikes?